Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. In this video, we will show you how to replace a service kit in an Alfa Laval Agitator with S3 seal, using genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. Whenever possible, demount the agitator from the tank before dismantling any parts. How to replace a service kit in an agitator with S3 seal. Start by removing the guards from the lantern. Loosen the three pointed screws that secure the rotary seal housing onto the shaft. Remove the seal housing, including the rotary seal part, by pulling it carefully along the shaft. Carefully move the mounting flange, including the stationary seal ring, along the shaft. Avoid contact between the two. Next, remove the oil trap ring and the O-rings. Push the stationary seal ring out of the mounting flange. Now begin assembling the shaft seal. Start by mounting the O-ring on the outer part of the rotary seal part of the shaft. Mount the O-ring in the inner part of the rotary seal part of the shaft. Mount the O-ring on the stationary seal part of the shaft. Insert the inner part into the outer part. Check if the pins are properly positioned, and then check the tension of the spring ring. Clean the surfaces of the flange and the shaft using alcohol to make sure that they are completely clean prior to seal replacement. Place the stationary seal part in the flange. Lubricate with water. Check that the pin is properly positioned. Gently press the stationary seal part into place. Replace the oil trap O-rings and mount the oil trap ring. Now, mount the stationary seal part. Be sure to avoid contact with the shaft, as any contact may cause the seal to break. Gently mount the rotary seal part onto the shaft. Lubricate with water. Press the inner part down. Adjust the placement of the inner part. Ensure that the clearance between the rotary inner part and outer part is in accordance with the guidelines in the instruction manual. Tighten the pointed screws. Finally, remount the guards on the lantern. To maintain the Alfa Laval Agitator as shown, these tools are required. Always remember to read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure that you cover all of the maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. Thank you for watching.